Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door bumper in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's missing or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a T25 Torx bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So when you open your door here, you can take a look on the inside. So we're supposed to have 4 bumpers. However, we are missing a couple of them. So grab your new OEM replacement door bumper, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So in order to replace the bumper, all you have to do is just push it into the hole, and it should snap right into place. And with it being tight in there, you shouldn't have any problem with it falling out or anything. The little piece of plastic on the back will just hold it in place. So once you replace your bumpers, you can close the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.